In this video, we will be discussing input logic circuit truth table for microprogram sequencer. Now I am taking BR field I1, I0 and T. These are the input variables. Now I am taking mux1. In mux1, what are the input variables? S1 and S0. These are the selection variables, not input variables. These are the selection variables for mux1, and this S1 and S0 are the output variables for this particular input logic circuit. Okay, and what about the third output? Is load L. From input logic circuit there exist three output variables, S1, S0 and L, and here input variables I1, I0 and T. See here, if BR field has got 00 bits, now the same 00 bits are fed to I1, I0, right? Now if T value is 0, now what happens? Right, when BR field is 00, it is jump, right? It is jump, right? So when BR field is 00 and condition is 0, right? What is that? Increment CAR, right? Right? Increment CAR. Increment CAR. Okay. Increment CAR means line 0. Yes. Line 0 means 0, 0 line, and automatically load will also be 0. Right? So these S1 and S0 and L values are determined from this I0, I1 and T Boolean function. Right? We have got a Boolean function, right? What is that Boolean function? S1 is equal to I1, S0 is equal to I1 I0 plus I1 dash T, and L is equal to I1 dash I0 and T. If you can substitute this I1, I0 and T input variables in this particular function, you will be getting S1, S0 and L. Now these are the values I have got once I substitute here, right? So by looking at the truth table also we can tell, we can also predict what is S1 value and S0 value and L value. How? See here, when branch field is 00, the same 00 is fed to I1 and I0, and if the condition is 0, what is that? Increment CAR. When I increment CAR, what is that? Line 0, right? Line 0 means 0, 0, because S1, S0 is 0, 0 means line 0, and L is equal to 0, right? Now another case, if BR field is 0, 0, same thing will be copied to I1 and I0, and condition is 1. When condition is 1, what is that? AD value will be copied to CAR. Now address bits are copied to line 1. Line 1 means 0, 1, right? First line 1 source. What is line 1 source? 0, 1. Okay. So and load will be 0. Okay. There is no need of SBR register. Okay. Right. That's why 0. See here. How I got this 0, 1, 0? By understanding the truth table, I have got this 0, 1. Okay. If you don't understand the particular truth table, you can substitute this I0, I1, I0 and T value here in this particular function, and you will get this particular S1, S0 and L, right? There are two ways. Now this is also jump. Okay, jump with condition 0, just simple increment the CAR. Jump with condition 1 means address is moved to the CAR. Okay, this is unconditional jump. Okay, when unconditional jump? When there exists a test condition 1. So at that time which source? 0, 1 means line 1. Okay, line 1, and here load will be 0. Okay, next, when BR field is 0, 1, same thing you copy here, 0, 1, and test is 0. Now this is call Okay, BR field is 0 1 means call, but condition is 0. When condition is 0 means just simple increment CAR. Increment CAR means S1 and S0 value will be 0 because line 0 is CAR, and there is no need of even SBR register to be activated. So 0 because there is no requirement of SBR register, that's why 0. Now same 01 call, 01 copy here. Now condition is 1. Now what happens? See here, you just have to increment CAR plus 1 and move to the SBR register. Means your SBR register must be ready to receive the value, right? When your SBR register is ready to receive the value means when load value is 1. That's why you keep load value is 1. And what is that happening? AD is moved to the CAR. Now this is what the call micro operation. When there is a call micro operation, these are the transfers happens. AD is copied to CAR and incremented CAR will be moved to the SBR. So AD is moved to the CAR means what is the line? Line 1. So that's why 0 1, right? 0 1. If at all if you cannot understand this particular 0 1 1 means, then what is that simple step? Substitute this I1, I0 and T value in this particular boolean functions. You will be getting S1, S0 and L. Okay. Next, if BR field is 10, you copy 10. See here, now this 10 is written. This 10 is written. In the case of written, there is no need of test. Okay, 10 will not take the test. Okay, right. Here 10 means what is that? SBR register content will be moved to the CAR. Now this is line 2. Okay, line 2. And is there any requirement of SBR register to accept the value? No, that's why 0, because SBR register is sending, it is not accepting. So that's why I kept 0. If it is accepting means 1. If it is sending means 0. Okay. Now 1 1 means map. Here also 1 is copied as it is and there is no need of test variable, right? So now this is map, MAP. Now here also 1 1 and here 0. 1 means line 3. At line 3 mapping is there. Okay, right? This is what the input logic circuit truth table for microprogram sequencer. Thank you. This we have completed topic, the design of control unit. In the next video we will be discussing unit 2 part 2 CPU. Thank you.